Life insurance is important, presented in bullet points. Financial security provides a financial safety net for dependents in the event of the policyholder's death. Debt relief helps pay off outstanding debts, preventing them from burdening surviving family members. Income replacement replaces lost income for breadwinners, maintaining the family's financial stability. Education and future planning funds important life events like education, weddings, and business ventures. Estate planning assists in estate planning, covering estate taxes and distribution expenses. Peace of mind reduces stress by ensuring loved ones' financial well-being. Charitable contributions allows for leaving a legacy by designating charities as beneficiaries. Final expenses covers funeral costs and related expenses, easing the financial burden. Affordability locks in lower premiums when purchased young and in good health. Business continuity aids business owners in continuity planning and buy-sell agreements. Legacy and inheritance creates an inheritance for heirs regardless of other assets. Life insurance serves multiple financial and personal purposes, making it a crucial part of financial planning for many individuals and families.